Hubpharm, at least I want to believe that I have a good idea of when at least the period it would at least it became physically obvious. It hasn't done a bad job. I think the objectives and the goal are very humanitarian, and they say if your plan has to be smart, specific, timeline bound, realistic, achievable. I think it ticks those boxes, and I feel like the pace at which Hubpharm is going is brilliant. And with what I see, I mean, they say consistency is what really breaks the bank. Consistency is what hits success. So I feel like success is just around the corner. I found it interesting that you were able to think of the need of the community. That's quite selfless of you, and I think to a large extent, we reached the goal. I want to believe the goal is awareness to people's medical health and some sense of or some bit of screening to pick out the people in the community who may not know about some of their salient pathologies. We saw some diabetic people. I mean, we were just talking a few minutes about the woman who had the diabetic foot. Honestly, a few months from now, she will most likely need to amputate that. Good thing this outreach has come to tell her that, inform her that it's important she takes care of that, she takes that leg serious. And I can see that she wants to take it serious. Perhaps challenges here and there financially or what have you, but you see she's down in the pharmacy, looking morose and, looking for help. And of course, you saw those women with malignant hypertension, walking time bomb, like you call them. So this thing screened out a couple of people, and I saw 2 or 3 patients with pre-diabetic values. So good counsel, lifestyle modifications would see them to going back to normal values, and you would avoid them getting, on the larger scale in the pathology industry, you've been able to take out some people and keep them in good health. My name is Kelvin David Otumenye. I'm a medical doctor. I work with the Lagos State Ministry of Health. I'm presently the Safe Motherhood Coordinator, Lagos State. I also serve as a Senior Medical Officer at General Hospital Bagada.